What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best action cameras on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Akaso Brave 7Le. The Akaso Brave 7Le stands out with an impressive array of features at its affordable price point. Boasting a front-facing screen and weather sealing, it prioritizes usability and versatility over top-tier video quality. In our tests, the audio quality surpassed other non-GoPro models, especially in quieter environments, and the touchscreen interface proved remarkably intuitive. While the video quality at 4K resolution is decent, it doesn't quite match the excellence of the Brave 7Le's other features. In lower light conditions, it heavily relies on noise reduction, resulting in footage with a soft quality. The electronic image stabilization, while decent, doesn't lead the class. Nevertheless, considering its price, the Akaso Brave 7Le stands as one of the best action cameras available, particularly for the extensive features it offers. It excels in providing value for money, making it a top choice for those prioritizing features and affordability in an action cam. Number 2. Insta360 Ace Pro. The Insta360 Ace Pro emerges as a wide-angle powerhouse, claiming the title of the first action camera to offer 8K video output. While the 8K resolution and 48MP stills might be considered overkill for many users, the Ace Pro is the go-to choice for those seeking rugged 8K recording, despite its higher price tag. Physically, the Ace Pro impresses with its robust build, weighing in at 179 kg, providing a substantial feel in hand. The flip-up display, which hinges at the top for a responsive selfie experience, sets it apart from competitors like GoPro and DJI. The camera offers versatile mounting options, including a magnetic baseplate for quick switching. Co-engineered with Leica, the sensor ensures superb image quality, with excellent results across all resolutions. The Insta360 Ace Pro delivers clarity, vibrant colors, and effective noise handling in low-light conditions, aided by AI processing. Active HDR effectively balances high-contrast lighting, while features like flow state and horizon lock stabilization prove their worth. While professional filmmakers might desire log capture and higher 8K frame rates, the Ace Pro stands as a mighty impressive action camera, catering to a broad range of users with its advanced capabilities. Number 3. Insta360R 1-inch Edition. The Insta360R emerges as a formidable competitor to GoPro's Hero series, offering the versatility of equipping a 1-inch sensor module. In our review, we discovered that this configuration provides superior low-light capabilities, delivering brighter, cleaner, and more detailed results than its GoPro counterparts. The native dynamic range of the Insta360R outshines other action cameras, and its raw stills are notably impressive. Videos, whether in 523K/25p or 4K/60p modes, exhibit sharpness and punchiness. However, GoPro's processing prowess proves more effective overall, as the video from the Insta360R may suffer from shimmer and fizz in detailed areas. Additionally, the 1R lacks the point-and-shoot simplicity associated with GoPro, with somewhat sluggish software during the exporting process. Despite these considerations, the Insta360R stands out for producing some of the best stills and video in the action camera market. Its 1-inch sensor effectively handles image stabilization cropping, showcasing its flexibility as a 5K camera with commendable low-light skills. In summary, the Insta360R earns its place as one of the top action cameras. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Action 4 positions itself as a contender against the latest GoPro, addressing the Action 3's main drawback by incorporating a larger 1x1, 3-inch sensor. While the still's resolution is slightly lower at 10 MP, The video resolution remains the same at up to 4K/120p. Notably, the Action 4 excels in low light conditions, outperforming the Hero 12 Black by effectively gathering more light. DJI's Action 4 also benefits from the inclusion of the D-Log profile with 10-bit color, a feature highlighted in our review. This enhancement significantly improves color depth and dynamic range, capturing detailed highlights and cleaner shadows. The larger sensor and wide 155-degree lens, however, result in an increased minimum focus distance, making close-up shots more challenging. The microSD memory also slightly limits overall performance. Despite these considerations, the Action 4 retains the appealing features of its predecessor, the Action 3, which was already a favorite action camera. It maintains a small yet rugged build, a removable battery, and a versatile magnetic mounting system. The waterproofing is further improved to an impressive 18 meters without a case, making it an excellent choice for water sports enthusiasts. Overall, the DJI Action 4 proves itself as a strong competitor in the action camera market, offering enhanced capabilities and features. Number 5. GoPro Max. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a superior choice if your primary focus is recording standard action camera footage at the highest quality. However, if the idea of reframing videos in 360 degrees after shooting, coupled with excellent audio quality, appeals to you, then the GoPro Max is worth considering. Designed with two fisheye lenses, the GoPro Max captures spherical 5/6K video, allowing you to later crop it into standard 2D video using overcapture software. In our review, we noted the Max's impressive 6-microphone setup, delivering excellent audio quality, although it doesn't quite reach the level of GoPro's shotgun mic claims. While the GoPro Max may not offer the best 2D video quality due to the need to convert the fisheye image, and it maxes out at 1440/60p resolution, it stands out as the best waterproof 360-degree action camera available. Although it may not match standard rivals like the GoPro Hero 11 Black in low-light situations, its unique features make it a compelling option for those seeking a versatile and immersive shooting experience. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.